Alright, look at what I got here. See this? Some quality headers. Just kidding. They're like average. They're the Raceland headers. Those are some nice headers for Raceland, you know? So I ended up just getting the, see, Raceland headers for the E36 M3. There's some long tube ones I'm gonna put in there. So I just get them prepped and ready to go in with the O2 sensors and whatnot. So they have this manifold thing for the secondary air pump. I just put some bolts in there for now. Probably gonna cut the heads off the bolt off and then weld them on there. I don't know yet. And maybe lop these these tabs off. Not really sure yet, but it's just a M8 by 1 1/4. I got new exhaust studs. New exhaust studs down there. So that like N94, N92, whatever. Newer BMW engines. Got these new bolts, new hardware and gasket. We put on there. And then back to the supercharger. I don't really know. I was gonna try and put the 3-inch MAF back in and see if it still causes the same issue. Might even try and put my old ECU back in that has like the Castle performance tune on it. See if that might help. I don't know. But the issue is the MAF is not getting a signal, or the ECU is not getting a signal from the MAF. Don't know how. Worked perfectly before. It worked perfectly fine before I put the supercharger on. All I did was put bigger injectors, supercharger, new tune, and a 3.5-inch MAF. I haven't done anything else. Supposedly the tuner says the MAF isn't getting a signal. I got everything wired correct. I have a resistor in the yellow wire that's a MAF signal. I don't know if there could be a break somewhere. All I did was cut right here and extended it to reach down here. Maybe there's a break right here. Don't think so. I've rewired this whole thing twice. And they sent me a new MAF. No luck. I don't really know what's going on. Maybe I just need a link ECU and just go standalone. But that's so much money. I need to make a midsection because the midsection from the factory one doesn't match this. And I want to put a wideband. I want to put a Y collector in there. Merge collector, whatever you call it. And then go to a single exhaust all the way up. But that's so much money. Alright. Finally got back into the swing of things a little bit. Got the new headers in. So I got the Raceland headers in. They look pretty good. Good, you can't even see them when like whatever. They look good. You know they look good, kinda ish. The only thing, there's a cat. Hey kitty. Meow. The only thing, goodness, here, you want to explain to them? What are you sniffing? Huh? The only thing, the exhaust hits the transmission right here. So you just had to do a little bit of clearancing. Yeah, that's pretty close, huh? But it fits. Only thing, it's a 2-bolt because it's made for a Euro M3. This obviously isn't a Euro M3, so I gotta get a midsection made. Anyways, I was deleting the cats, as you know. Not deleting the real cat, but deleting the Cadillac converter. These were a blast to put in. You have to like put them both in at the same time because they don't fit. Like there's not enough room to fit them both in, or one at a time. So I had to wrestle it up there by myself and hold it up there with one nut and shimmy it around, and then I had to fucking loosen this one, bring it down, doesn't come out all the way, hammer it till it fits. But it wasn't too bad. I got a full custom exhaust made by NDI Machine Shop. Shout out Booster Bear. I'll jack the car up in a little bit because I gotta do bolt check, and I got Raceland headers coming down to, I think it's 2 1/4. Could be, no, the headers are 2 1/4, that's 2 1/2, and then 2.5 to a Y, and then to a 2.5 vibrant ultra quiet resonator, and then I have it going up to 3-inch single all the way out to a giant vibrant muffler, and exhaust looks pretty sweet. Got the NDI, you know, I got a 3-inch vibrant like muffler and a ultra quiet resonator. Thing sounds crazy. But right now I am replacing the clutch fan because it was a little worn out. Didn't have much resistance compared to that new one. I don't want this thing flying out, destroying all my good stuff in there, you know. Different day, different problems. So I created a boost leak tester. You know, I smoke tested it, thought everything was good. Joke's on me, nothing good. Had a leak there, had a leak on the coupling right there. I don't know if that was leaking, but I JB welded it because these are pressed in, so you couldn't even like fix them or seal them up or anything. And then this one, these are plastic threads on plastic tubing. So I JB welded these because you can't crank them. I put some Teflon tape on them, JB welded them. I don't know, hopefully. Coupling ripped. I don't know if I still have the old coupling. Yeah, this one was the one that was giving me some leaks, as you can tell. I thought I would still seal it up. Joke's on me. So I got some new couplings coming.